Hi guys, actually the manifestation content we used to see in secret cards. So I felt all the cards in this are over. So we have seen all the cards. Now if we see again it will be like a repetition of the cards. So I felt instead of seeing the same cards again and again and shuffling and taking, now we know what are all the cards there. So this is all about mysteries. Ahama oracles is all about each universal law. So day by day, I felt we can see each law every day. So one after the other, one after the other. So now today, let us see what is the first law. This is law of human relationships. Okay. So this law helps us define limits of behavioral control with others in three dimensions. Okay. So what this law states is, as far as I know, law of right human relationship is you what is the actual how you have to treat the other human being. That is the law all about. You should not force anybody to live what you are thinking. Okay, and at the same time you have to set everybody free to live as how they are thinking. And at the same time every person's characters and individuality is unique, different, and every person's deep desires are different, and the way they want to attain their deep desires in reality and they want to live is also different. So you should never force anybody to live as how you are thinking, the way you are thinking, and the methodology what you're thinking is only right thinking, all like this. Okay, so this is the way you treat a human being with ultimate freedom. So let them live however they wish, whether they choose the path of right, whether they choose the path of wrong, it is the right path for them because divine is making them choose. So let them free, set them free, let them live as how they wish. This is the correct way of treating a human being and correct way of having relationship with other humans. If they come to you asking for help, if they come to you asking for any clarity, just give them guidance and clarity. It's not your job to make them live what you are thinking is right. Okay, instead let them live. See, you have given them the clarity, you have given them the knowledge, so let them execute in their own way and live it. So this is the right way of treating any human being and any human relationship. That is what this card tells, this law tells. This is law of right human relationships. So tomorrow let us meet in some other interesting law, universal law like this. Until then, bye.